Kasama rin dyan ay si Casey Concepcion. At ang magbubunyag ng Best Actress for 2013, please welcome Laguna Governor George E.R. Ejercito Estregan Jr. and Pagsanhan Mayor Girly Maita Ejercito.
Para sa taong 2012, narito po ang 7 natatanging pagganap para sa karangalang Movie Actress of the Year.
For Movie Actress of the Year, Bea Alonzo, Four Sisters and a Wedding.
Pinag-aral niyo ako, binihisan niyo ako, minahal niyo ako. Kayo ni Papa. And that's good enough for me.
Nora Honor, Ang Kwento ni Mabuti. Rustica Carpio, Ano ang kulay ng mga nakalimutang pangarap?
Gabing-gabi na. Saan ka ba pupunta?
Casey Concepcion, Shoot to Kill, Boy Golden.
Ibahin mo ko sa mga utusan mo sa gang. Ako na bahala sa sarili ko. Dahil kapag naaalala kong lahat ng ginawa sa akin ni Rason, kumukulo ang dugo ko.
Angel Locsin, Four Sisters and a Wedding.
Kasi mula nung umalis ka rito, nawalan na ako ng best friend na nakakaintindi sa akin.
Vilma Santos, Extra.
You are the other arrest warrant of arrest.
And Lorna Tolentino, Burgos.
Naniniwala ko sir ko na a mother's love is so strong, it can bring back a missing son.
And the Movie Actress of the Year is...
Miss
Casey
Concepcion.
Shoot
For Shoot to Kill, Boy Golden.
To present the award is PMPC President Fernande Guzman.
In behalf of Miss Casey Concepcion or Maria Cristina Cassandra Concepcion, we would like to accept this award. And we would like to thank our producers, our Viva family, Boss Vic, Boss Veronique, Boss Vincent, and Cinema Concept International, our producers, Miss Mylene and Ryan Enriquez, and the Villalon family, thank you very much. To our outstanding multi-awarded director, Mr. Chito Oronio, palakpakan po natin pang panahon. Thank you very much, PMPC Star Awards. Happy anniversary.